Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Infinity Engineering Designs. Please subscribe my YouTube channel clicking on subscribe button. So I am going to in this video change my line scale. Before you start to draw you need to look for the units. In this type of drawings units have no 0 point values, so go to files, open a new drawing, and check units and tick on metric. After that check file format DWG, finally go for advance. Now change your unit according to drawing. In this drawing, you don't have any 0 points, so I am changing my precision to 10, after that continue same procedure. Now draw normal horizontal line. I am typing 75 as my length. Now draw a center line from change layers. Now you cannot see breaking point of center lines, you have to zoom it, so we have to change our line scale. So remember this command always, LT scale. Software is asking line type scale factor. In this drawing we cannot see our center line breaking point because of the scale factor is 0.005, they are too small, so I am changing it to 0.5 large number, so our line comes too large. Because of that I am changing little bit larger LT scale value. LT scale I am giving 0.05. Okay, now you can see the scale is suitable for your drawing. Now you know the theory how to change line scale according to your drawing. So thank you very much and please subscribe my YouTube channel.